How to fix HBO Max app not working. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can fix if your HBO Max application is not working. The first thing you want to do is open your settings, then scroll down and tap on apps. Here, you want to scroll down and find the HBO Max app. Then you want to tap on permissions. Here, you want to make sure that you have given all the permissions over here. So if there is any permission you have not allowed, make sure that you allow it. Next, you want to tap on the storage option. Here, tap on the clear cache option. Then tap on the clear data option. Once both cache and data has been cleared, you simply want to head over to the HBO Max app, log into your account and check if everything is working fine. If that doesn't fixes your issue, you want to head over to Play Store. Here, you want to search for HBO Max. If you find an update button, simply tap on that and update the application to the latest version. Sometimes when your application is outdated, you might face different issues in your application. However, if it is still not fixed, you can tap on the uninstall button, tap on uninstall, and after that you can install the application again. After the reinstallation, all of your issues should be fixed, and that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.